Hey everyone, today we'll go over GetMaxDuration, SetMaxDuration, GetDuration, SetDuration, SetStackAmount, and GetStackAmount. And first, I will just explain this real quick. The aura we'll be using for this demonstration is 67741, that's the ID, and we will have it as a variable up here, so just store it here instead of writing this all the time. Next up is that we will do the player event for when we do a chat, just talk and chat. This is just so I can showcase it real fast instead of needing other events. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to first get the aura object. So I will just write local aura object equals player get aura, and then we want to say aura ID to get the aura with that ID. And when we do that, the first thing we'll go over is how we do the GetMaxDuration. So let's say aura object colon GetMaxDuration, like that, and just close it off here. Let's do it as a print so we can see it in the console. This, and then we just close it off. Now let's go into WoW again here, and we want to do a simple reload in the console here of Eluna. So we do that. And now I have just made a little cast here so I can cast the spell and showcase it easier. I click that one, now I have one here. Then I just write something in chat, and you can see it says -1. And you might think that's kind of odd that it says -1, but that's how it works. So if you go into the spell editor, we find the spell here, hardened and base. And here you can see this one will normally be -1 as far as I know, but that's the longest duration you can actually use. So if it says -1, then yeah, it just means it's set in here as far as I know, but we can change that with other commands. Okay, so now let's go over how you get the duration. So say print again, just to print the console, then aura object colon, and then say get duration, like this. Now save it, go back into WoW, and here just reload Eluna, like we always do. Nice. Now we already have it up here, so I can just do a quick test. So now say it says -1, and that's again because it's basically unlimited duration right now. So let's go back and do the next one. Now let's get the stack amount. So print aura object get stack amount, and basically what we are doing is that we get the amount of the stack. So let's save it again, go back into WoW, and now reload it. Reload Eluna. What if we just add one more? So now we have 2, and I write again. You see it says 2 here. So that's how you get the stack amount. Now let's actually set the SetMaxDuration. So let's do that. So first off, let's just do a print here. Aura object colon get max duration, so we can get it and then we print it, so we can see the first one being -1, then we set as max duration, and we print again to showcase it. So just do like this. In between here, what you want to write is that aura object colon set max duration. In here is the milliseconds, so let's just do it like that. And now save it, of course, and now go back into WoW and back into your console and reload it. Now we are back here. You can see I have 2 up here. Let's try and write something, and now you see I set it. So you see -1, and then we set it the max duration of it to the, I think it's 5 minutes here, because it's milliseconds. It's kind of hard for me to calculate on the go. But that's set now because we printed again after setting it. Okay, so now we want to actually set the duration, but also the max duration. As far as I have seen, if you just set a duration without setting the max duration, it kind of bugs out and doesn't work. So what we want to do is, again, we want to print first. So we want to print Aura object colon get max duration, just to again print the max duration. But we also want to get the duration to print the normal duration of it, like this. Then Aura object colon set max duration, and we just set it to that. And next down here we just do Aura object colon set duration. That's how you spell it, and let's set it to something simple like this, right? Let's just again print it down here to see the actual numbers being changed. So let's go back into WoW. Again, reload. Click here. Just if you have IO installed, and rewrite something. And now you can even see it says 5 minutes up here. And as you can see, we first set the duration. And of course it doesn't say -1 here, because I already did it in the last example. Don't mind that, but it will normally say -1, -1. So you see, we set it here and then we set it to 5 minutes. Last thing we want to go over is how we actually set a new stack amount. So Aura object again. If I could spell, thank you. Aura object colon. And here we just say SetStackAmount. And inside here we set the new stack amount. So we have 1 stack, so we want to do it to 4. Okay? So just write 4 here, and that's it. So now go back into your console, reload it. Oh, sorry, reload Eluna. Okay, and now if we just write something, you will see this should be changed to 4. And as you can see, it's now changed to 4. So that was all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Check out the Patreon and gain access to all the source code.